I just got a fresh set of accounts to go through for my
Oh, hell yeah.
for cold calling. I'm excited about it. My process though I know you talked about it in the university about, we're connected on LinkedIn. Is there anything to be said about, should I go through before I cold call and connect and send them a note, or would you rather be the cold call be the first time I'm reaching out?
If you are going to use the LinkedIn, and there's other things you can use, at least just go through and send them an invitation request. Don't send a note. I want to be crystal clear with this. Yeah, because these notes, it's too much. When they first did those notes, it was great. Now everybody has been so burned by these notes. It's like that old, man, all of you are way too young. Derek's probably the only one that's old enough, because me and Derek are old, to know this. It was an old Saturday Night Live skit where they'd knock on the door and it was sharks, right? They'd be like, package. Like, oh, you're those sharks. No, not Candygram. And they finally get them to open the door and the shark would eat them. That's freaking LinkedIn now. LinkedIn is 1970s SNL sharks, because you send a note and people are like, I know if I open that door, it's a, hey, if I could have 5 minutes here, it's a freaking sales pitch shark waiting on the other end of that. So just send them the LinkedIn request. Don't send any, sorry LinkedIn, don't send any in-mail bullshit. Just send them the request and then call them and say, we're connected on LinkedIn, right? And you don't have to wait to be first degree connections, hence the word LinkedIn. You're not saying we're first degree connected. You're just saying we're connected. And if they go 1 in 3,800 times, they'll go, hold on, let me check. Hey, we're not first degree connections. I've got an open invite from you. Okay, my bad. Hey, the reason why I wanted to reach out to you personally is like it's a win-win-win for you. So, and just remember this, if you don't want to use LinkedIn, I work with the top manufacturers in the Midwest. I work with seasonal produce pickers, growers, whatever it is that they're on that list. I work with the top. I'm paying you a little compliment, right? Or I manage all of our operations for Houston. I manage all of our operations for the Midwest. My first week at ADP in 1998, they gave me a territory of Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana. I'm like, I'm in charge of Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana for ADP. They're like, I can't believe such a young, spiky-haired, 20-something kid is in charge. Like, because it was my territory. Right? I didn't lie and say I was the EVP. I just said I'm in charge of. And that's another way to give a connection, is what you're in charge of.